Hey guys, this is part 3 of staying in our friend's cabin and exploring Greenville, Maine and the Great North Woods, so if you missed part 1 and 2, go check those out. We did some roaming around Moosehead Lake in the side-by-side, scenic drives through the historic town of Greenville, we made a few new friends, then we made our way towards the last town before the Great North Woods. In this video, we enter Kokadjo, Maine. We explore the trading post in Lily Bay State Park, then head deeper into the woods where we visit a famous plane crash.
Random orange tree out there.
Oh, there is. I see it.
Yeah, there's a lone
Way
one.
down on the right.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Oh, the lights are on though.
We are in the town of Kokadjo. We're gonna go in here and look around. Oh, there's kitty cat. Kokadjo trading post. Yeah. Oh, it smells delightful in here. Oh, look at the cookie whoopies. Got a whoopie pie and a few stickers.
You know what? I'm still in that mood.
Kokadjo, Maine. I love it. You know, it's still, it's going on.
I'm getting a moose tattoo.
So this town of Kokadjo is apparently like the last town before you get to the Maine North Woods. So maybe I'll show you a little map. But after this town, it's just all wilderness. Really? Oh my gosh. It's a Canadian penny. It's hilarious. Oh, it's 1979 penny. It's from Canada. We are right beside Canada. Welcome to Kokadjo. Population, not many. Clearly. Across the way, whatever that is, on the mountains, there is one golden tree. I want to show you guys the golden tree. It's really pretty. All right, I'm going to zoom in and show you. Eli noticed this. Do you see it? That one golden tree. Eli went to pee. That golden tree is really pretty.
Oh, the one I pointed out?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Where are we at?
We're in Loveville right now.
No, where are we
Love
at?
you so much.
Shut up. Kokadjo, Maine. Say it.
Kokadjo, Maine.
Kokadjo.
Today is a memorable day, everybody.
Say Kokadjo.
Kokadjo.
Population?
0.
Not many. So Pete and Deb are,
This is the part I wanted you to get it.
they're eating their meals. So I'm gonna take advantage and go exploring. Look at that old house. Oh, there's a trail. Hold on, I'm coming. Oh my gosh. Look it. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Love you.
Love you.
Yeah.
With all my heart.
Shut up.
My little bitty Grinch heart.
Did you see my penny? Look at it.
Can we hold it for you?
Yeah. I'm looking for fishes. Lily Bay State Park. That's where we are now. So we left, I forgot what the name of the town was. And now we're at Lily Bay State Park. It's really pretty here. Very wild, like everything that we've seen today. When I watch YouTube videos of Alaska, this is what it reminds me of. I am taking a trip to the Piddle House. I'm still hoping to see a moose, but we haven't seen any moose today. All we've seen was 2 partridges, which I'll take because I've never seen a partridge before. Oh, this is beautiful. Walking to the Piddle House, hopefully. Oh, there it is. Hopefully there's toilet paper. Oh, please be toilet paper in here. Oh my god, no toilet paper. Oh my gosh, look at the water. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Get it.
You're not gonna do that, are you, Deb?
What would you do?
Oh, because she gets hit like 5.
2.
I'm doing good right now. It's not even bad.
That was 8. I counted.
Really?
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I
Rock
realized
skipping.
it really works, so it's not-
That was horrible.
All right.
No, the last skip ruined it.
They are having a rock skipping competition, and I am looking for Native American artifacts. There's got to be something. These trees are all on their tippy toes.
Let's see what we can do with this one.
What?
Look at
What we can do with this one.
all on their tiptoes.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Get a...
Come on, I have faith in you. You going to? All right.
Damn, when it jumps like so high like that? Hey. Hey, what are you doing?
Ticks. The ticks are terrible.
Poor thing.
This guy fucked up.
Yeah. Later.
Oh, wow. Gosh. Quiet.
called Final Mission. The little, if you rub your hand on it.
Oh, I see it.
Feel it.
Yeah, I see them.
The wires. It should say ice grip right on the side.
Oh, Firestone. Wow.
It says ice grip.
Yeah.
Huh. Hey. Oh my goodness, what a day. What a day.
Well, if you put it right
We
on
are
the
gonna make
table,
dinner.
yes, it's gonna-
We are having scallops and steak. Eli's having salmon. And then we're gonna hit the road and go back home to camp. 3 hours away, so that's not bad. There's 3!
Oh, there's 3? Oh yeah, there is. That's the 2 that were here yesterday.
Oh, that's so cool. What a great way to end the night. They heard Eli going outside. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just looking. Well, I'm glad you got to see them.
Oh my gosh, right before we left.
Oh, that's a big one.
Thank you, Deb and Pete, for
Mama.
having us. This was the best trip ever.
We enjoyed
We
it.
could have done it. We'll have to do it more.
Well-
Hey, you know what? You guys aren't gone yet.
Nope.
Did you throw apples out?
Yeah. Oh, there comes baby.
All right, we're driving home. Babe, no moose. All right, everyone. We decided to leave this evening instead of in the morning, so we don't have to rush home. So we're wide awake and just had a nice steak, scallop, and salmon dinner. You know, little trio.
4 miles from moose.
And now we're just being cautious because we're in moose territory. So wish us luck and stay tuned.